You are going to love the 2019 RX 350. The RX 350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area and a powerful V6 engine, the RX 350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.